Hey, what is up guys, it's your boy iOS Gaming Cash Tech here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make money online just by watching videos. So my website I'm going to be showing you guys today is the same website I used to make money online. My favorite website I used to watch videos to make money online. Some days I make $5 to $15 to $10. Some days really low to $2 to $5 a day. Well, today I'm going to show you guys how I made all that money. I'm just watching videos, and I showed some of you guys payment proof before, and I want to show you guys the most website I use right now that's available that you guys can use. So let's get into the video. So my favorite money making website to watch video right now is Instangc. Really good website if you want to start making money. Every 100 points is equal $1. So if you get 100 points, that's equal $1, and you can make $3 to $5, $10 a day running the video loyalty section. If you do not have the video loyalty section, there's a section right here called Engage Me TV. Right here, as you guys can see, if you click on it, it will show you how much points you're gonna get to watch the videos. So right here I will get 0.7 points, which is not bad. That is really good. But with video loyalty, if you guys have this available in your location, video loyalty is one of my favorite ways to earn points on this website. Right now, as you guys can see, I'm at 772 points. That's equal to $7.73. If I click on it, it will show you most of these are from referral, but it will show you my video loyalty earns right here. See right here, offers, video loyalty, video loyalty. As you guys can see, they give you 4 points. This is the highest you get is 4 points, four over and over and over. And if I go back, let's go back to the 3. Right here, as you guys can see, 4. These are all video loyalty right here. These are all my earnings. I've been earning on here like crazy. And I could show you guys my redemption. Let's go to other rewards, and it will show you right here $13, 1, 5, 5, 6, and I can go another page. This is where I started earning a lot of money when I started using video loyalty. I made $20. Then that's a payment. This is $45. That's a PayPal payment, and this is my email. All my payments came to this email. 35, 20, and I could go another page. 1, 11, 17, 20, 50, 20, 20. Then I could go 4. And you guys can see 1, 20, 3, 2. I haven't been using a website like that anymore, but I just started using it again. I need some money, guys, and I started using the website, and I've earned my $7 already. That's for the day. That's my $7, and I use multiple tabs. As I said, multiple windows. That's the way you're gonna earn from watching videos with these websites. You have to use multiple windows. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that step by step. So you want Instangc like that, right? You click this little icon, click Instangc. You want to go here, and you want to check if your pop-ups are allowed. You want to click site settings. You want to scroll all the way down. Make sure your ads is on allow. Not yours gonna be on block. Make sure it's on allow. You want to toggle it, and then you want to put pop-ups on allow. Image allow, flash allow, JavaScript allow. Then you come back, you refresh the page. It's gonna ask you to reload it right here, as you guys can see. Reload. And once you have that done, you want to click video loyalty. Right? You want to click one of these. This is the one that earned the most for me. This is how I earn all my money. I click that one, and we'll start taking you to another page. Right? I'm gonna pause the video. So the video is gonna start playing. You want to go like this. You want to come down to your Google Chrome. Make sure you guys using Google Chrome for this. You want to right click on new window, and then you want to do the same thing. Log into your Instangc account. I'm sorry about that. Log into Instangc. Right? Click video loyalty again. Click the same one. Click it. Then click go, and once it goes, it's gonna start playing the video again. So right here, now I have 2 tabs of video running. Then you can do it again and again and again. You want to keep doing it till your computer crashes. If your computer crashes, you know you reach your limit of tabs. My gaming desktop I can put 14 tabs on here. That's how I make all my money. You won't be making $40, $50, $100 a day, but then you can make a lot of money a day. You can make 10, 5. It depends on your location, where you are in the world. I'm in the United States right now. My earning is over the roof. As I said, it's free money. If you can make $10 every single day, that's awesome. Super easy, super awesome. You guys can open multiple tabs with this. Run it as much as you can. Video loyalty is the best. And I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys take this information, put it to good use. Hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.